Hi guys, good morning. Today we are going to El Corso. Bibisita muna kami dun kasi matagal na kami hindi pumupunta. And there's a lot of shop there. Like nitong November lang nag-open. Like Puma, USDS, mga outlets. I think they have Converse. Then check natin later. So we're here. This is El Corso. It's so hot. We're gonna go inside the mall. Just a brief background. Before pandemic, yung El Corso kasi is hindi pa masyadong marami yung mga stores dito. Like yung mall nila, ano talaga, tahimik. Then, nung nag-pandemic, yung mga tao kasi gusto na mag-dine. Parang al fresco style tawag doon, like nasa labas lang. So, from that point onwards, madami ng mga kainan dito. So, yung mall before is konti pa rin. But recently lang, nito ko lang din nalaman, may ano na dito, may mga outlet na. May New Balance, Puma. You're gonna see. So, this is their mall. That's USDS. So, they have their pop-up jockey store already. Before, tahimik talaga dito. Wala kang makikita sa kiosk na to. It's just plain. Then, they have New Balance outlet here. That's Pau. They have National Bookstore pa na rin here. Yeah. This is the New Balance. So, we're gonna check this out. Let's check their prices. I'm going to find the New Balance 530. Tanawa daw asa ang New Balance 530. New Balance 530. It's not for winter. So this is nice. It's 50% off. But it's running shoes. So it's up to 50% off. So it's 7,346 na lang. Oh, I'm gonna... Okay, we'll eat first sa DI. It's already 12. I think we are flat. Akong nakita ng isa kaligid sa tubangan sa may engine side kay it's kuan parang ana. Oh my God, that's the remaining tulong na wala. Yeah, we're gonna check. So this is inside of IL Corso Mall. We're gonna visit the fashion show warehouse. Lahi-lahi nga brand na dira. Na A6. Digimap Hertz, an authorized reseller for Apple products. They also have the Skechers here. But first, we're gonna eat first. So we are here at IL Corso Mall. Oh, there's Puma. Yeah, here. There. We have Puma outlet here. Converse is here. Here, there's a lot. It's been a while since we've been here. So we're gonna have our lunch first sa Dessert Factory. We're gonna have our lunch first. I think we have fountain play later. 6 p.m. This is Dessert Factory. We're gonna have our lunch here. So this is Dessert Factory. They have plenty of cakes here. The cakes. I'm so lazy to get up. So hungry. So we ordered some dessert. 1 slice of red velvet. This is yummy. We didn't have our meal yet, so I think Dessert, we're gonna go first. I ordered this, the fisherman's fish. This is only 135 pesos. It's under their affordables na menu. So we're done with our lunch and we will be going back to IL Corso Mall para tingnan yung mga outlets here. So first we're gonna go to so the fashion show warehouse. Fashion show warehouse first. We're gonna go to fashion show warehouse first. Yeah, I'm vlogging so that people will know that there's a lot of stores already here at El Corso. So we're gonna go to fashion show warehouse first. So what we gonna do? New Balance. Oh, they have New Balance here, but I'm searching for New Balance 530. Basics. Boots. Oh, they have boots. How much?
2,000 na lang.
2,000?
From 9,000.
From 9,995. Oh, wait lang, I'm seeing the price.
I'm gonna try.
From 995 to 2,000. Fashion only at fashion show warehouse. So this is good, I think. I'm not sure if this is good for walking. What brand is it? Ah, Flip Flop. This is Flip Flop. Look. Oh, so, yeah. That's Flip Flop. This Fit Flop. This is brown. Let's try. Flip Flop. Oh, it's not. Is it good?
You like? Training kita na shoes na rin ko kadulasan.
So we're done at the fashion show warehouse and there's nothing in there that I want. We're gonna go.
Boots pero dark.
We're gonna go to Puma. So we're gonna go to Puma. We're here at Puma. Sige. Asan nyo ang mga shoes nga pang trail, waterproof? Trail.
Ay, ito na niyo may kategories.
I'm looking for trail for this one.
Sana mo gusto per gap ng lalaki basta na sa vortex kayo.
Vortex.
Na may boots.
Pwede pang snow. Vortex lagi. Sa 9,600.
9.6 na ma'am, yeah. Pwede mo 2 items ma'am. Kung namin mapilian nga lang regular price, na total naman sa duha is 50.
So kailangan 2 ang paliton.
Pwede na din mo palisa ng bags or kanang salinas nga tagod 7. Para mo kuhan siya. Sa 50.
Ganun kita dark color.
Ang panglalaki, alam mo, naka-shade.
Ang panglaki? Panglaki jud yung design.
Ilan na color ma'am, ang sizes niya.
Pero gamay nga pang babae pa wala na.
Next,
Pila man ang sale to?
kuhan from 9.6 kay 3.840 na lang.
3. Pero dako na no.
Mga 60% off.
50%. Ang pambabae wala. Sige, thank you. So this is Puma. Puma outfit. They are 50% if you purchase 2 items. So we didn't find anything there. We are going to Converse. I don't know if they have a waterproof shoes. So this is Converse surprise. Here. This one from 5,290 down to 2,000 pesos. From 4,990 to 1,400. That's quite big drop. I saw some people wearing this. Now we're gonna go to Skechers na pod. Here, Skechers. Let's see if may mga waterproof shoes sila dito. So, this is their shoes. They have clearance sale here. I'm gonna go check. Yan, clearance sale. Naamo dili ka ng waterproof nga shoes? Pang trail, pang dakbo.
Ano yun?
Ay nga nara. Yung ani raman pao. Outdoor. Uy, 1.8.
Ay, nice na.
Yeah. This is 1.8. Look,
Great color.
this is 1.8. 1.8 ni siya or sale price niya?
1.8 mo na pinaka-orange tag.
This is 1.8 pesos. So, I'm not sure if that will work. Look, this one from 4,600 down to 1.4. It's for outdoor. It has memory foam. And this is what I'm wearing now. So next, we're gonna go to New Balance. Dito mo sulod sa atubangan, ha? New Balance. We're gonna go to New Balance. We're gonna check if we have 530 here. New Balance 530, huh? It's for running. It's running shoes, it's not trail shoes. Oh. 50% off. After 50% off. Yes? Namoy kuan dire, New Balance 530.
Wala naman. 5.30.
Unsay waterproof nga shoes sa New Balance? Alright, we didn't find anything at New Balance. We're gonna go to USDS. So I'm not sure what's in there, but let's find out. Mura kag So that's USDS. They said it's up to 70%. So let's see. USDS. We're gonna find out. Okay. I'm gonna check. Wala dito. Na yung mga luxury diri. If you want to know. Mga waterproof na. Naman waterproof shoes. Waterproof pang trail nga shoes. Waterproof. Wala no? Thank you. Oh. Buy one, get the second one at 50%. Not sure what's that. So they have buy one, take one up to 70% off. So, wala rin mga shoes diri. Nanara. So, uy, nalagay coats. They have coats here. How much? yun eh. It's 50%. North Face. North Face. How much?
3,000.
Sale na siya or 50%
Sale na.
off pa? Sure?
7K siya.
Ah. Kandi, how much ni?
Kasi sweater.
How much? Ano lang price sa ubos? 559.
11,000. Let's go.
Okay, there's nothing in here. So, hi Pao. So I think that's pretty much it. I think that's all for now. Sa lower ground lang kami pumunta. We didn't go sa second floor. Pinakita ko lang yung mga malls, yung newly open malls here. I mean, newly open shops here. Hindi na kami pumunta sa taas, may mga kainan dun. But we're gonna go back to SM City Cebu. So they also have romantic baboy here, outside. Then sa banda dun sa unahan, madami pang mga kainan. So it's already almost 2 p.m. It's pretty hot in here. So we're gonna go to SM City Cebu. Okay. So yun lang po for now and ciao! May gusto sana ako sa Skechers but they don't have my size. So yung ending wala akong nabili. I guess it's not meant to be.